Ciao ciao दोस्तों, विंबलडन चल रहा है and you saw Flavio Cobolli lose out to Novak Djokovic. Now Cobolli was accompanied by Eduardo Bove, former Roma player and of course Roma Academy product, and you saw a lot of Roma tattoos on Cobolli. So in case you missed it, Cobolli is a Roma fan. In fact, he could have become a footballer for Roma. वो right back खेलता था in the youth systems and he was with Bove and Calafiori. So that got me thinking, who are the other famous people who support Roma? यार फॉर्मूला वन की तरफ जाते हैं. Giancarlo Fisichella, legendary racer, is a Roma fan. In fact, we've seen him a number of times at the Stadio Olimpico. And Daniel Kvyat, of course, not a very famous name compared to Fisichella, but he is also a Roma fan. Despite his origins from Russia, he lives in Rome and he's often seen in the Stadio Olimpico supporting a Roma. Now, बहुत सारे local Italian talents हैं, म्यूजिक आर्टिस्ट है, मूवी स्टार्स है, जो रोमा फैंस है, जो शायद ग्लोबल ऑडियंस को नहीं पता, मुझे भी नहीं पता इनफैक्ट. बट अगर मूवीज की बात करें तो ऐसा कहा जाता है कि मोनिका बेलुची इज अ रोमा फैन. मैंने पूरा इंटरनेट ढूंढा to find a picture, but there is only one quote where she says that she's a Roma fan. On the other hand, Will Smith is a Roma fan as well. He said it a couple of times. Obviously, he's been in Rome and there is a certain affection towards the football club. बहुत सारे celebrities हैं जो ही ऐसे रोमा jerseys पहनते हैं या उनको club gift करती है. You know, the likes of Kim Kardashian, she is wearing a retro Roma kit. Apparently, that is a rage now, wearing retro football kits everywhere. But the biggest celebrity Roma fan from the glamour industry, it's not Parineeti Chopra. It's not her. Okay, वो AI generated images आते हैं, but it's not her. Maybe one day she will be, but for now is Timothée Chalamet. Timothée Chalamet, of course, star of Dune and many other movies. He's a bona fide Roma supporter, and you know, he's met Jose Mourinho, he's met Paulo Dybala. He has come to the Stadio Olimpico. He knows all the chants, the songs, and he's a passionate Romanista and flying the flag of Roma across the global audience for sure. And that is it. I couldn't find any other global celebrities who are Roma fans. अगर आपको पता तो leave a comment below. अगर आपको कोई local celebrity पता तो leave a comment below. And for more such content, like, follow and subscribe. Ciao ciao.